Hey guys, Ben here, coming at you with part 2 of the weights restoration, the barbell plates. They've been soaking in a mixture of vinegar and water for 24 hours. It's like been pretty much exactly a day later, and you can see like the top of the weight just kind of floats up and it remains in like a circle, little donuts everywhere. And this is probably like, I'm gonna say 3/8 vinegar to water, maybe like 1/3. And you can see some people scrubbed it with a wire brush before they put it in a mixture like this. I didn't, and you can see that surface rust just breaking off. So I think I might have saved some work by waiting to scrub it. Look at that layer. You can see some of the surface rust just breaking off. And I'm gonna go today and get a new brush, some black Rust-Oleum paint, and we're gonna use that cardboard over there. Once these sit in here, I'm gonna let them sit for another day, because they were saying 50-50 mixture of vinegar. I did a little less, so I'm gonna let it sit a little longer. So we're gonna do 48 hours before I take these out of here. And I'll just take them out. Might even just hose them down, but scrub them, see where we're at. I might have to put them in again, and then just paint them and get ready to put the second coat on, paint them again, and that's it. And then they should be done after that. And then I have a whole nother bundle of weights to put in. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow where we are at. Let's close this up. Looking good so far though. Peace.